What is up, parties, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this quick and easy flaxseed gel recipe. So you're going to need half a cup of flaxseed, and then you're going to need 2 cups of water. You're going to bring it to a boil on medium heat, and then you are going to stir frequently while it's boiling. I'm going to show you what the consistency needs to look like before you turn it off. So as you can see right here is very runny. That's not what you're looking for. You're gonna look for a consistency that looks more like this, where it's thick and it's sticking to the spoon. This is the consistency you're looking for. Once you get this consistency, you're gonna turn off the stove and let this cool for 30 minutes. And then after it's cool for 30 minutes, you go ahead and you put it into a pantyhose. That way you could strain it and take all the seeds out, and then you'll just be left with the flaxseed. I accidentally didn't record myself while I was doing it initially, so I tried to make up for it, but I mean, it's not the same. And that's pretty much it. Okay guys, so that's pretty much it for the flaxseed gel recipe. It's pretty simple, super easy. My hair right now, it needs to wash, so I'm not going to be using the flaxseed gel on my hair. I'll be doing a separate video where I apply the flaxseed gel on my hair, and this will be my first time using flaxseed gel on my hair, so stay tuned for that video. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I have a lot of other great videos for you guys. I know I do a lot of different types of videos, but I know you guys will find something that you like, so stay tuned, okay? Click that notification bell, that way you don't miss any video that I upload. And thank you guys in advance for your continuous support of my channel. Bye! I'm just so curious to see how the flaxseed gel will do in my hair, so I'm just going to take like a small little section. Yeah, definitely going to wash my hair and use only the flaxseed gel. As you can see, your girl have a little, a little cute little curl. So far it's looking good.